Hello guys, today I have got the Marshall Bromley 450 speaker and I'm going to show you if any application is available for this speaker in your Android phone. Yes, there is an application that's compatible with your speaker. This application is called Marshall Bluetooth. Let's at first open the Play Store and here search. In the search bar type Marshall. Search, and as you can see here I've got Marshall Bluetooth from Marshall Group AB. How to distinguish that this application is the correct one? It needs to have 5 million downloads plus, like the minimum value. It can be more but not less, and 194,000 reviews as the minimum value also. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. If you want to know how to pair your speaker with this application, check our channel. Goodbye.